Hi there, my name's Stefan and I'm currently residing in Bordeaux, France. This is my Premier League team quiz web app, which is a Python app I built on the Flask framework. It includes a SQL database. I used Bootstrap for styling as well as Ginger notation in order to display results dynamically. I am a big football fan, and having lived all around the world for most of my childhood, I've always noticed other football fans always seem to struggle finding a team that they can really identify with. Most people choose a team based on geographical reasons or family history, but I figured I could create a quiz that would select a team based on someone's personality so that they feel somewhat of a deeper connection. So the way I've implemented this is that I have a database with a list of all Premier League teams minus some teams that get relegated often. And I've given them a score whose default value is 0. Every team has a unique ID representing it. I have also paired every answer to each question with a list of IDs. So I'll give you a little walkthrough. As you start taking the quiz, you'll be asked a wide range of questions whose main target is to gauge what kind of person you are and to find some personality traits. Once you've gotten through all the questions, whether you've answered them or not, by clicking on the submit button, the app will look at your answers, which each contain a list of integers representing the IDs of the teams that fit the answer you selected, and append the separate lists of IDs into a big list. Next, the app will loop through that list and for each integer add a certain number of points to the compatibility score of each team in the database. It will then return which team has the highest compatibility score and output the name of said team below its emblem, which for example is Leicester City for the answers we've selected here. I have also signed up for an account on pythonanywhere.com, which allowed me to host this Flask app for free, and I will leave a link in the description for you to have a go at this quiz if you want to find out which Premier League team fits your personality the most. Thanks for watching. Bye.